This 10-inch Lodge carbon steel skillet arrives with a solid factory seasoning that gives food a reliable, naturally slick surface from the first use. The thick carbon steel construction heats quickly, yet stays stable. So searing steaks, browning vegetables, or crisping potatoes all cook evenly without obvious hot spots. It works confidently on gas, electric induction, in the oven, on the grill, and over a campfire, which makes it a single pan that fits both home kitchens and outdoor cooking. Despite its sturdy build, the pan is relatively light for its size, and the long-angled handle feels secure and comfortable when tossing or moving it between burners. With simple hand washing, drying, and light oil rub, the skillet develops a tougher non-stick patina over time and can realistically serve for decades of regular use. Made in the United States by a long-established cookware maker, this skillet offers professional-level performance in a straightforward, no-nonsense design.